Well, here we go with a little quick tour of the lab as it is here in January 2011. This is the open end of the lab. So over here we got the solar center in the garage with some PV on top of them. Down in the bottom there are some demos and data collection going on for Kanika and Blue Sun. There's also some new poles going in down there for Kanika. Here's our wind tower. This is SkyStream 2.4 kilowatts. Stands on its own without guy wires. And then we've got our training roof, some storage containers, cage full of steel and other weird pieces of metal, and our little old storage shed here. Here's the service side of the building, you might say. There's a chiller there for our flow, our air conditioner, all the various data and power coming in and out. Down on the end is a little building that used to be part of the big solar collector that this used to be a stand for. The building was actually a stand for a big mirror and made real hot water. Around here we've got some evacuated tubes that are set up, and behind that is a kind of a utility sun tracker that a client has left here temporarily. There's a stack of wind towers for anemometers to be set up. There's a Blue Sun installed vertical wind spire. Here's the stairway up to the lab. This is a nice set of stairs you can get almost prefab from a joint called Omega. They're pretty good. That used to hold the motor that turned the old collector that this was. Up here on the roof now, we've got our various bits of lightning protection all around on the guardrails, so we don't have to go hide every time the sun is gone and the sky is threatening. Then we have our tracker. This is the first tracker use with a collector on it. We were just trying out one that we had laying around. Turns kind of like the swinging of a gate here. Got an actuator that extends and retracts to turn it east to west, and then this other actuator here causes it to tilt. Over here we've got an instrument that we use to measure the beam radiation of the sun. It turns around once a day, so once you get it aimed you don't have to mess with it too much. It's got some unwinding that needs to be done from the weekend. I'll do that right now. Just take this off and give it a twist back. Put this on here, and it's ready to go for a few more days. Come on here. There you go. When the sun comes out, I'll need to make sure it's aimed right. That's the grounds. There's the grounds. There's where we come in off of Varsity Road over there, next to the Ellis Lab. There's the McKimmon Center over there in the big parking lot. Pause while I go inside.